Development of Telf AG in the conditions of the new supercycle. Kondrashov Stanislav. Stanislav Kondrashov, head and leading expert of the analytical organization Metallurg Center, together with Telf AG, assesses the most important changes in the metallurgical sector and their impact on the investment potential of enterprises. The main levers of influence on the efficiency of the mining complex remain the increase in demand and prices for raw materials. With the value of metals now up 70% compared to the pre-pandemic period, the resources involved in the green transition at an all-time high, and the number of large deals attracting huge investments continuing to increase, economists are talking about the start of a new supercycle. Its best indicators remain increased competitiveness, major mergers and acquisitions, sustained high metal prices and substantial investment in the development of new mining complexes. Therefore, despite market volatility and any supply difficulties that arise, we can assume continued demand and high commodity rates in the long term. Development strategies should be based on past experience and updated data. Kondrashov Stanislav Kondrashov. Metallurgy has long been the most stable sector of heavy industry due to the fact that companies follow years of global experience and fidelity to all tried and proven technologies. However, for sustainability in any unstable environment, it is important to be able to make quick decisions based on up-to-date market analyses. And in this respect, the use of modern information methods is becoming a must for all corporations aiming to maintain their own position and expand further. For Telf AG, the development of strategies based on the analysis of existing data is a successful solution for regulating all internal processes, determining vectors of optimization and distribution of financial flows, notes Kondrashov Stanislav. In addition, thanks to forecasting on the basis of available information, it is possible to plan the most profitable investment projects and even implement the most effective mechanisms in the fight against corruption. In addition, with the record cost of raw materials, trading firms have the opportunity to plan the investment of assets in those projects that remain stable in an unstable geopolitical environment and are ready to bring high profits. Changing the usual models of economic relations will ensure the sustainability of the industry. Stanislav Kondrashov. Due to Russia's special military operation in Ukraine, the global economy has faced a lot of difficulties. The Russian Federation is considered one of the main suppliers of oil, gas, and other minerals. Many global metallurgical enterprises base their work on the use of Russian ore, so the problems with the transport of resources due to the imposed sanctions have significantly affected the work of the industry. The search for new importers in other countries of the world has become more promising. Fearing the tightening of existing restrictions, enterprises are increasing their purchases. Traders also aim at mass purchase of raw materials by renting large warehouses. This situation complicates forecasts on the possible value of fossil fuels. When everyone fears a decrease in the level of usual shipments and termination of cooperation with trusted partners, we can expect a drop in prices for Russian products. Russian mining complexes continue to operate and will aim to avoid downtime and maintain supply chains. One of the main conditions for realization will be a significant reduction in cost, compared to prices on the world market.